Do you notice as you're older, you become more tired, sluggish, have more pain, brain fog, disease? As a former biology instructor and as a nurse who's been studying anti-aging, let me break some things down for you as simply as I can. We are all made up of cells. Almost every cell in your body has mitochondria, except for red blood cells and a few specialized cells, like your eye lens. So roughly 99% of your cells rely on mitochondria for energy. Depending on how much energy that cell needs or that part of your body needs will depend on how much mitochondria are in that cell. So your muscle of your arm versus your cheek. If your mitochondria becomes damaged, mitochondrial dysfunction is happening, and that's caused by oxidative damage due to free radicals. It is a primary cause of age-related decline, as well as other diseases associated with aging. Mitochondria don't just die. Instead, they lose their function. Their function itself declines over time. And here's what happens biologically. Bear with me. DNA mutations accumulate in mitochondrial DNA, mtDNA. Energy production efficiency drops. We have less ATP, which is your cell fuel, and that is not made as much. So we have more reactive oxygen species, ROS. Those are produced, causing oxidative stress. Mitophagy, the cleanup of old mitochondria, slows down. So we have new mitochondria forming less often, older ones lingering and performing poorly. What does that mean? Well, the results are we become sluggish, repair slowly, inflammation rises, and that's what we experience as aging, fatigue slower, metabolism, dull skin, weaker muscle tone, etc. So what can we do? Well, thanks to new science, we can look for something like supplements. Let's talk about a few. NAD. Think of NAD as a fuel for cellular engines. It's essential for converting nutrients into energy, repairing DNA, and maintaining proper function. As we age, NAD, which occurs naturally in our body but declines as we age, fuels mitochondrial enzymes and DNA repair. Then there's astaxanthin, the mighty antioxidant known as nature's most powerful weapon against free radicals. It protects mitochondria from oxidative stress. Then there's resveratrol. It activates sirtuins, improves mitochondrial biogenesis. I want to point out that resveratrol works in conjunction with NAD. So think of resveratrol as the light switch and NAD as the electricity. You need those together. Urethylin A stimulates mitophagy, clears damaged mitochondria out of the cell. There's nothing else that will clear a damaged mitochondria out. They usually linger, so this is very helpful in that way. Then there's other options. Red light therapy. Your cells see red. This reaches the mitochondria and stimulates energy, ATP. Red light charges your mitochondria like sunlight charges solar panels. The limit is it won't reach your muscles, lymph, or your brain. Then there's intermittent fasting. 12 hours gives the mitochondria time to rest and promote cellular cleanup. Exercise. When you exercise, you're not just burning calories, you're teaching your cells to act young again. You're building new mitochondria, improving your energy engines, and fueling your glow at the deepest level. It's that simple, which is why every modern longevity strategy, from fasting to exercise to supplements to red light therapy, ultimately tie back to the mitochondrial health. I hope that helps you understand the cellular connection and what you need to do to support it. Remember, cellular growth and cellular repair starts on the inside, and that is really how we glow on the outside. So I hope this helped you, and I hope if you have questions, you'll let me know. And in the meantime, if you have any questions about any supplements or nutrition needs, please reach out to your dietitian or your physician and do your research. See which ones are going to help you best. But don't just buy anything you see because it's working for somebody else, because it may not work for you. Anyway, hopefully here's to glowing from the inside out and aging gracefully with a lot of energy.